But Pesach, I remember, this was actually a holiday that my mother remembered from her parents. After the war, it was hard to keep anything from the religious activities. And both my grandparents actually came from religious families. But my grandmother was the one that actually made my grandfather do the Pesach Seder. So my mother would see what Pesach is all about, so she can learn. And then later on, they didn't know, but when she became the head of the Jewish community, then she can actually teach this to all the Jewish people in Częstochowa.
Right, but she was a head of the very secular Jewish community, right? She was a head of organization that by name wasn't associated with religion, but then she was the one who kept the religious aspect of it, right?
Right. That's exactly true. After the war, there was still religious, kechila, a gmina in Częstochowa, in the old building of the mikvah there in Częstochowa, but only for a short time. And also, they didn't really teach kids anything. They would just pray. Maybe there was a bar mitzvah there. But really nothing for the kids. So the TS Kajet, the association, really became the main source of education for many Jews that were still living in Częstochowa. And my mother, I guess, being daughter of Yankel and Brindle, that did all these things. Brindle would go actually to pray to the mikvah building in the Gmina, and Yankel would. Because of his wife's request, would bring chickens to the Shoichet, before Yom Kippur, and would make the Pesach Sedor. So my mother would learn those things. So that's what she learned, and that's what she taught to the Jewish community there. Eventually, the Gemina stopped to functioning and existing, and Tes Kajet became the main Jewish source of education for the Jewish people in Częstochowa.